Meal Kit Home Delivery Business, Melbourne. This is a unique opportunity to take over a growing business in the ever-expanding Australian meal kit market. Already proven to handle significant growth, this business has the potential to expand regionally and interstate. With increased demand for meal and fresh box deliveries, this $300 million market is forecast to grow substantially over the coming years. This business offers meal kits, fresh seasonal veggie and protein boxes, plus a range of add-on products. It has a loyal customer base with strong retention, operational flexibility, market differentiation, and system scalability against competitors. This package includes a Hyundai iLoad with custom refrigeration, custom-built website, factory equipment, office fit-out, and much more. Most business comes through free organic search results, although another high-traffic keyword is included in the sale. The current owners have been able to maintain the level of business throughout COVID and are now poised for growth. The business is an essential service and is able to operate during lockdowns.